up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. And we are back in effect people with another Alkaline reaction. I tell you the song name, nah feel like. You see me I say? Now people don't know if they expect from my song, but those who have some little, you know what I mean? We got some little papers right there, so we don't know what them are for. What them are for? What them there? 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 What kind of... And the money, what? You see me? But we're there. What? Put a twist to my videos them again because some people start doing the same thing. You know me? So what we do? We start doing the mukbang reaction them now, people. So we got some Kentucky Fried Chicken in effect. So when I get hungry, I mess to the song, but that's how it go. So we still go on for Alkaline song, people. Like the video and subscribe to the channel before you start watching the video. You see me I say, like the video. Like the video. Yes, they like the video. Alright, forward now, man. Hold on, the song. The song. Not start yet, you know. Song not start yet, you know. You ready now? Run tune. Well, I'm gonna get the food set up for it because I don't know something. I'm itching right now, dog. Well, the bumbo, well, I'm giving a straw, dog. So, oh my god, drink my juice. Tell about them people, dog. Oh, bad man, I go drink him juice now. Bumbo, you're clad. Jamaican get a style, yeah, man. Run tune. Side man show me polish on the floor, glad we make it out of the same. Big man. I them say all kind of come from me, no, so I come from that in that. Well, the camera sit right on, man. The man say outside bathroom with polish on the floor. You see, if you not be out the door, you can't like that song. You see me I say, if you bar with money, you bar rich, you can't like that song, brother, because you have to know the struggles to the song. You know, that's what the man I say. You see me? Blood clot. I went to KFC start sell fries in America. No, sir? Then man normal do that something here, dog. You not hungry yet? You not hungry? Run through here, man.
Bentos, bad bitch, Glocks and whips. Fuck them, dog.
You see Alkaline want to move, a joking. The price is bad though, man. American KFC don't normally sell fries, dog. Me not lie. How I go on? No, man. I run through now, man. Straight. The man say, yo, them boy, they not feel like me. You see me, I say, man, I say it in Spanish. Go serve it to Majo. You see me, I say, the girl them do what? Them skin it out to knock you with the hammer. Clang, clang, clang. Beat up the skin. We all know say all kind of girls, you know. I know so the girl them love Alkaline, but that food they going a different something down, no? Go to KFC, you find it. Run through now. KFC, you find it.
Eat the banana, y'all man the money strictly. I would if I said them on the street, I make you see it. Fuck a hell line, what a blood kid.
Man, the man tell lie to blood clam. No, lie though, this look weird. Alkaline motor lip sync the song. Oh, I'm picture yag and just see motor when I'm moving at the picture. That's weird, dumb. You don't like it. Well, the banana, the coconut tree leaf, I move to. Go.
I get the pussy out of family. Get the one you kinda. Tell us some stuff with me. Kick her up before it never could. Tell me used to struggle. Now my money up.
So it's not a war song. We get that out of the way. Because my sister say, oh, now I feel like, you know, but if it's a war song, the backdrop would have more look war-ish. You see me, I say like a Monopoly look? Yeah, Monopoly. Look now, No, sir. Yeah, man, that's something I got to start reaction with some food still, man. Woo! Alright, run tune.
Seem to bring a friend and make a double. Got another trouble. Get easy and a puzzle. Once see something, she say brand new.
So if you bring a friend and make you double, it's a threesome that, you know that. Alkaline dog. I want some war in the dog. Me a hype man, you know. Me a Tyrekevlogs. You see me? Me a reaction boss. And I'm also the hype man. We do that to medicine for now and then, because I say you're bad for it, no joke. You see me, I say, I will have made for you, I say you're bad, no joke. But Right now, quarantine and war, what's about run tune?
Still I recover, okay, she give me a bandu. Follow me, just I go get your mates confused. Still I go sashimi, no ashibu, see me pan shoes.
What him say? Me kinda hard for understand what I'm saying on that. I don't know why. It's kinda hard for understand what Alkaline said that. We could run it back. Run it back a little bit.
Get easy and a pussy one. See something she say brand new. Still I recover, okay, she give me a bandu.
What him say all that? I don't tell me what him say all that. I not hear when I said that. I forgot to find out the lyrics on there. Food done. Chicken they done. But American KFC normally sell fries. Man, I wouldn't get that sitting in front. They start sell fries now. This is every other country KFC have the chicken and fries. So they start chicken and chips too. Or fries. But your fault. A long time for do this, man. See what can make to Alkaline say now.
Follow me, just I go get your mates confused. Still I go sashimi, no ashibu, see me pan shoes. I pay a day, no karachi vines. Left your
Man, it's no karachi vines. They put a little bit too much salt on the food. A little bit too much salt on the food, dog. But the food just be safe in that. Why not put some salt? Look like man. A little bit too much salt.
Pull up head, shot him should have been like Cosby, Panning George and ride Kawasaki.
This is the player words. We should have been like Cosby. Bill Cosby. And the easy boy Alkaline, dog. Not an easy artist, you know.
Left your Nancy, pull up head, shot him should have been like Cosby, Panning George and ride Kawasaki. Boom.
How much Alkaline sound you hear him say Kawasaki, you know? Not even Alkaline only. How much like song overall music, you know? How much music overall in the year? The artists them say Kawasaki, you know? I'm sure I know that. You just have anything they can rhyme with still. Man, I rhyme with them outside the point. Much of time you hear this. Why you hear a chance, sir? Run tune.
Panning body she wing up if you bounce. Not plan the ground cause I can matter. Better than a summer. What's me eat? Fuck a line, what a good kid. Now I get them pussy on the family.